Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and confirming a valid payment method. Once done, you search with tight keywords so results stay relevant. Use filters, condition, price range, location, to reduce noise and sort by newly listed or lowest price to spot deals. Make sure to inspect seller feedback and recent ratings. Sellers with many positive reviews reduce risk. If an item is used, read the condition notes and photos carefully, because knowing what you'll receive saves time and returns later. Once you've picked a listing, compare at least 2 similar options to confirm price and shipping are fair. This prevents impulse overpaying. If you pick Buy It Now, click through to Checkout. If bidding, set a max and let automatic bidding work for you. Before finalizing, verify the total cost, item price, shipping, and any taxes. Then enter or confirm the shipping address, choose the shipping method, and pick a payment option, PayPal, card, or another supported method, so checkout flows smoothly. You finish by carefully reviewing the order summary and any applied coupons, then confirm the purchase. Save the receipt or order number for reference. After payment, monitor the tracking in My eBay and expect messages from the seller about dispatch. If delivery is late, message the seller first, because many issues resolve quickly. If the item is damaged, missing, or not as described, open a return or buyer protection claim promptly. This ensures eBay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.